Good evening, and welcome to Cookingconspiracy. Tonight, before we get started, let's take a moment to think of the protesters in Hong Kong and the trade war. Because what's really affecting me is trying to find some good Chinese food. And tonight's conspiracy is that Chinese food in China is better than American Chinese food. This is false. American Chinese food is much, much better. But yeah, let's take a minute, hope the best for the protesters over in Hong Kong. Another reason why we have our Second Amendment. Anyways, enjoy. However, I am confident Hong Kong will be free before University of Michigan beats Ohio State in football. OHIO. Although Michigan winning would be a bigger upset. No, the dog is not an ingredient. Although I am suspicious of eating fried food near a veterinarian's office or an animal shelter because you have your doubts.